Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya. The channel name is Fashion and Anaya, and that is how you get the name. If you are new, welcome to this channel, and if you are not new, thank you for coming back to this channel. I'm just happy to be back. This video was, I didn't plan to do this, but I was like, hey, let me just do it anyway. So let's just get into it. So this video is just gonna be a real quick little, I guess, eyebrow tutorial and just some eyelashes. I actually have to get to work sometime soon, so it is let's see, it is 12:54 and I have to be there at like 2 like 2 something, but I really would like to be ready because I'm not driving myself. Someone is coming to pick me up, so I need to be ready. So it is 12:54, so I need to hurry up because I still have to put my clothes on and all that other stuff. So yeah, and my camera is currently dying, so I need to speed it up. So let me get, okay, so I've got my stuff, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Oops. I'll be try to look into the camera and looking into my mirror over here because, yeah. So to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty. This stuff is the bomb, and it's in the color 360. So the eyebrows are done, kinda, but yeah, usually I just go back and just blend it in some more. Next. So for the sake of this camera's battery and for the sake of time, I will be back. But yeah, this is the glue that I am using, and it's the black one. This doesn't come out clear. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. So hold on. Okay, I'm back with these lashes on. They were giving me problems. If you would like to see an eyelash tutorial, an updated one, because I've already done one, I will link it here and I'll link it down there. If you'd like to see a brow tutorial, I've never done one, but if you'd like to see a detailed one, let me know. Give me a thumbs up on this video. But before I go, let me put some lip liner on. Actually, I don't even need to, because I really didn't need to, because my lips are already glossy. Yeah. Yeah. And I can always add more gloss. But that is it. I didn't do any like va-va-voom-ish kind of lashes today, because I am going to work and I'm not trying to do all that, and I just want to do something simple. And you can do this in like 10 minutes, maybe 5 if you are quick like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you come back to see more, and please let me know if you would like to see more tutorials and get ready with me. I want to be able to do stuff like that. So just let me know what you think. Give me thumbs up, give me likes, give me subscriptions. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.